Hello everybody, welcome to part 2 of this video series wherein we will provide you details about the free courses, trainings and internships. So this is Ashu Chokhani and in this video we will discuss about 4 companies, that is Google, Oracle, Accenture and CFI is an institute. First of all, a big thank you to all of you because we have just crossed 5,000 views on part 1 within a time span of 2 days. So thank you so much for this awesome feedback, and that's why this has motivated us, and within 2 days we have come up with part 2 of this video. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. In this video we will cover 4 companies as I said, and those who haven't watched part 1 in which we covered BCG, CFA Institute, Harvard and TCS, the video link is given in the description box. You can go there and check it out. The courses are still free and it is still open for you to join. These 4 companies which we'll be covering in this video, they are also free and you can join anytime. So the first company which we want to cover is Google. So Google is offering 125 plus courses. Many are free and many are paid as well. What I would like to discuss more in this context is that there are so many filters which you can apply on its website. Like there is a filter for free certificates, paid certificates. You can choose the course length as per your understanding. The course provider, there are so many course providers. Starting from Google itself, the Coursera is also listed. Many renowned universities of this world are also listed, as you can see in this list. Few examples which I want to cover in this because many of you may be freshers, so it is very important for you to know about the marketing area, or you want to go into online marketing, online blogging, all those things. So fundamentals of digital marketing, how to get a business online, so online campaigns, these are very important for you. So these are all free of cost, and this is the initiative taken by Google. And you can also see the it is written created by Google, and some of them include certification as well. Coming to next. So within this Google Digital, there are some many other courses like public speaking courses, English development courses, leadership courses. So these are, yes, they are present on Google Digital, but they redirect you to a new website wherein you can do that course. So yes, it is listed on a Google platform. That means these are verified and these are certified by Google also. So the second company on our list is Accenture. It talks about future innovator in training program. Innovation is the buzzword in this era right now, and every day we have to be updated with latest of the technology to excel in our life. What is this internship about? This is a course by Inside Sherpa on innovation technology, and this is free for all students. And what you learn in this program is basically if you want to develop a habit or some skill development. What is exactly is Future Innovator Program? So it covers project and stakeholder management, how to take decisions, how to interpret the data. You can get an edge on anything while finishing your work to personal projects, basically everything. If you are looking to launch a career, you want to get updated with latest technology of what is happening around you, this is the best course to go to. Course number 3, and just I forgot to mention in first 2 courses also, all the links are given in the description box, so you need not worry at all. You can just go there, access, and if you have any doubt then please let us know. Now starting the third, which is very important, my personal recommended, so CFI. So in this they are offering courses like finance and Excel, etc. CFI basically stands for Corporate Finance Institute. So as you can see in this screenshot which I have put in, there are 3 very basic courses, and this is very important for all beginners, whether it is accounting fundamentals, how to read the financial statements, and there is an Excel crash course as well. So all these are free, they are certified, and you must do it. Going one step ahead for the beginners itself, there or even for advanced people, there are good concepts like forms of business structure, there are fundamentals of credit. So you do these courses, these won't take much time. As you can see, it is written 2 hours to 1 hour 30 minutes, so this will not take much of your time and you will get to know what it is. Yes, it is good for CV as well because you get a certificate at the end of the day. I've also taken 2 examples of most important courses, most trending courses in this website. The first is the accounting fundamentals course, which I just told you. So in this, they teach you how to, in real life, how to do the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. It takes approximately 2.5 hours and it is completely online. And yes, you can change the pace also and you get a certificate as well. Also about the Excel course which I was talking about, this takes about 3 to 3.5 hours. You can change the pace as per your understanding, and it also gives you a certificate, and this is very much recommended. Now coming to the fourth company, which is Oracle. This is mostly for technology students, though Oracle has come up with an initiative that till 15th May they are providing all these learnings free of cost. So this course is about the infrastructure and autonomous database. So recently a notification came up on Oracle's website which reads that the free courses are being offered to everyone, and that kicks off from March 30, 2020, and will be available till May 15, 2020. So this is available during the quarantine time and we can make very good use of the same. So what does this course cover? Yes, this course is again free of cost. There are so many things you can do. You have to obviously go and log in into the portal, the sign up option, and after that you have so many things to explore. So what it is autonomous database specialist. You can be a foundation associate, you be a cloud operator, developers, associate, professional, all such programs are there. And at the end of the day, you have to take your free certification exams. So I have added two screenshots to get you familiar with this OCI platform. The first one is the OCI Architect Professional Program, in which they teach you about the best practices which are to be implemented. OCI stands for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. The second one we are going to talk about is the OCI Operations Associate. In this program, they teach you how to develop, how to automate, how to implement, and how to archive such OCI operations. So I hope this is very useful for you. So thank you guys. Again, I want to repeat all the four courses which I have, four courses of four companies I have discussed. Everything is in the description box. Just go and click, and it will redirect you to the relevant website, and you can explore there. If still you have any query, you are more than welcome to comment, inbox, or anything, and we will definitely help you in it. So one last request: we have started this as a series. Part one is out. Part two has been just now presented to you. We will continue this series now, and we'll try to post regular content every 2 to 3 days. But for that, we need your motivation, we need your cooperation. So in case you come across any online course, just inbox us. And a small request as well, please subscribe to this channel so that we don't have to send you notifications every time. You get a default notification whenever a new video is uploaded, and that will serve your purpose. These are time bound videos, so it is very important that you register the same day or the next day, because no one is sure when these terms and conditions will change and when these courses will be removed, new courses will be added. So that is it. So thank you guys, stay connected, and I hope you really liked it. Thank you so much.